All right, let me give you a sample of how Naravox AI work with Flow. So what I make sure I do is that I head over to Naravox AI to generate all my script and everything. If you ask Naravox AI, it will give you different options. So I'm going to be showing you everything now so you can understand it more better. Okay, let's go. This is Naravox AI. All I need to do is to just, okay, let me start from home. I'm going to be doing it from beginning so you guys will understand. And I don't want this video to be longer than just 3 minutes. This is the script. Once Naravox AI give you script, it's give you prompt along. Let me use one of my history script already. So this is the script. Once Naravox AI give you script, it's give you prompt also. Is it that 12, 15, or depends on how the story that you wanted to make, like maybe it's short story of TikTok or long form or story, which is for YouTube, like 6 minutes or 7 minutes upward, and this one is no more than 2 minutes. So now these are the prompts. Then copy the prompts here, head over to your Flow, and create a new project. So immediately you create a new project, just head over here, do the settings, put it on 9.6 ratio, and okay, 2, that's this nano banana 2, then paste it, boom. Then Naravox AI will Flow will generate the images that you are going to be using to to turn the images to Flow to video on Flow. So immediately Flow generates the images. You can turn the images to video using Grok. So let's wait till it generates. I don't want this video to be longer than 2 minutes, so that's the reason why I'm making it snappy, just a short video. So I think it's almost done. So once it's done, all you need to do is just save your video, and that's all. Boom, you're good to go. So as you can all see, this is the images that Flow generates. So click on it and I'll click on download. 1K, that's all. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also see you in the next one. Bye for now.